Greetings, Love Posse. Today's message, we've been played. It's time to heal the divide. I realized it long ago. Long ago. The game, the ruse, right? The narrative that it's us versus them, the narrative of the other, that we're so different, that we're all fighting for these crumbs. Divide and conquer so that those who've created this narrative, these corporations, the ultra wealthy, the media, who's a part of this ruse, this illusion that we're so different and separate from each other. It's been brilliant. But you ought to be getting tired of it now. You ought to be able to see that we've been played. And it's played out. It's time to heal the divide. Yes, physically. Let's talk about the physical. Our avatars are different colors, different heights, right? Physically, different eye colors, different hair texture, different weights. What? Male, females, right? Different gender. On the outside, it seems that we are different. But on the inside, right? Our organs function in the same way. The blood courses through our veins, red in the same way. We have brains, right? The body functions for everyone in the same way. The inside is the same. Mentally, yes, there's some difference subjectively. But think about it. 2, 3, 4, 5 people who don't even know each other can have the same idea. And that's because information from the cosmos, from the universe, from divine consciousness is available to everyone. You just have to be open to hear it, to catch it. That bit of information that's out there. Spiritually, we're all spiritual beings having a human experience. Same. We're all spiritual beings having a human experience. Even though those experiences may be different. We're all spiritual beings. We're all expression of divine consciousness. We're all inhaling and exhaling. We're all on planet Earth. We all need food, water, shelter. Same. We all feel pain, hurt, sadness, grief, hunger. We all are in the same boat. Even though the realities of that boat may be different. We're all born in a human body from spirit. We all live this dream or simulation, and then we all return to spirit. And it's time that we begin to see that the things that make us different are superficial, insignificant. The things that make us the same are what we must look at, pay attention to, remember, and accept. Those are the things that are the same physically, mentally, spiritually, are what we must focus on to heal the divide. We must evolve beyond the superficial. Each human being, an expression of divine consciousness, has the ability to tap in to universal consciousness because it's available to all of us. The lie about brain size, this one's more superior because their brain is larger. All part of a narrative, all part of the ruse to divide and conquer, make people think they're better. This person's skin is lighter, they're better. This person's hair is straighter, they're better. You can't see the insanity. Let me rephrase it. Can you see the insanity of all of it? Do you understand how insane it is to think that someone's better because they have different skin? That someone's better because they have money? That someone's better because their hair is straight? That someone's better because they're heterosexual? Come on now, people. Come on. Come on, sit and think about this. Many people, most people have believed this asinine narrative for so long. So long. But it's time we heal the divide, because if we don't wake up and realize we've been played, if we don't heal the divide, someone's going to fall. Right? We're interconnected. I would say we're all going to fall, but we are not all going to fall. Those who continue to believe in these archaic narratives and illusions, those who continue to play the game that separates us, that lifts some people up and others because they don't look like them, speak English like them or any language like them, don't have the same bank account. Surely, I know I'm not the only one who can see this, who can see that it's so archaic. And people focus on all this superficial stuff. Why? Dividing, so that they can conquer. We've been played. It's time to heal the divide. For my own sake, I'm going to speak my truth. I haven't been played. I've known this for the longest time. I've been saying this, but I have to keep saying it because humans are slow learners. Humans like to suffer, create their own suffering by learning the hard way, the difficult lessons over and over and over again. History, repeating and repeating and repeating. As many humans don't want to learn. They don't like change. They are in power. They want to lose their power. They have this. They don't want to lose that. So they have to play this dangerous game. Mindless game. Let's keep them apart. Let's keep them apart. If they realize that they need each other, that they have to band together in order to create a world that we all can live in peacefully. There's enough. The universe is vast and bountiful. Scarcity is an illusion. But they have people believing that as well. All wrapped up, right, in this game of psychology, right? It's psychological. It's mental. You may think because I look like this and not like you, I'm your enemy. I want to take from you, or I'm less than you. It's a lie. You know what's so interesting? I find this just laughable. The narrative that was created that people that look like me are inferior. And here we are. See, nature knows nothing about the bullshit that humans create, because I'm an expression of divine consciousness. I can manifest, create anything. I can be anything, just like everyone else. You see, these are small-minded people. So nature, not understanding that humans have created this illusion, this farce of superiority and inferiority, just still creates, right? Creates life, expressions of the divine, brilliant with this skin color, right? Brilliant and Latino, brilliant and Muslim, brilliant and Christian, brilliant and Palestinian, brilliant and Jew. You see, there's brilliance in all of us. And there's so much evidence right in people's faces that prove that these antiquated beliefs have always been wrong. But people still want to hold on to these beliefs that they are better because of these superficial details. Love Posse, we've been played. It's time to heal the divide. Consciousness is available to all of us, no matter the avatar, no matter how much money, no matter whether you're male or female, gay, straight. I don't understand why people don't get that. That consciousness doesn't have problems with gay people. Consciousness doesn't have problems with so-called black people and brown people and poor people. People, human beings, small, unconscious, unaware human beings have these problems. Consciousness doesn't invest in differences, superficial differences. To consciousness, I'm pure consciousness. You're pure consciousness. You see the game we've been playing for so long? That humans created? Not your so-called God, but they have you believing that, God doesn't love you. That's why you're poor. God doesn't love you. That's why you're black. God doesn't love you. That's why you brown or Hispanic. God doesn't love you. That's why you're a woman. People believe this shit. Well, it's their choice. It's your choice. It's your choice. We've been played. It's time to heal the divide.